Good morning, Medo Yantra viewers. Of late, there was a serious discussion on whether the tools, AI tools and the AI influence will change the lives or the way we work in the software and software related fields. So there was an argument on the both the sides, and some people started saying, "Okay, show me what did it change?" Okay, to believe you, show me what got changed for a software life cycle or an average software engineer after you were working on this UI AI for last 2 years. Okay, so that seemed to be a thing which I want to do a demonstration, guys. So that is why I am starting a series which is basically idea to MVP entirely through AI tools. So we will see in this particular series how the requirements could be documented, or how an idea can be translated into a product, most probably by a single person or a single developer or a single architect. Okay, so why this is required is the way we are thinking needs a paradigm shift when it comes to AI related or AI infused development. In this series, I am going to demonstrate you the full scale AI enabled development. So for this particular demonstration, I thought I will use something which I want to actually show you and do it and show everyone on, yes, this is how we need to do. Okay, so to do that is what is this series for. So we will start with a target. That means in this particular series, in this particular video, the target is to first generate a wireframes for a specific business idea. So the idea here is we want to convince the people, or to make the people understand that AI tools are much more matured enough than we really think they are, and if infused into the software development life cycle, it will change the way we are working as on today. How they change is something which we are going to demonstrate. So at the beginning, like we are used to a paradigm where the UX designers will design the product or do the wireframing. So I have an idea in my mind, so I wanted to drive it and show various places how AI can be used in your product, in your ecosystem, in your scenario, to do a accelerated development or to do a paradigm shift development. So it will definitely reduce the number of actors, definitely reduce the number of people who are going to do. So what we are going to do is we are only going to take the concerns of an entrepreneur or a startup guy who will use the AI to put his ideas in place and come up to the MVP. So one thing we are addressing here is the technical possibilities. The second thing is, like, the way we present, it's no more only PPTs. You can actually go ahead and put out the design in place and do it much quicker, much faster. That's what we want to demonstrate in this particular series. So now this series is also aimed at students, because they are starting fresh. They don't need to unlearn the decades of experience or decades of way or habituation of the way how do we do the things. So they can pick it up very very fast, and they start here. So that is why in this particular series what we are going to build is we are going to build a prompt library application, which is again a open source, which will keep a lot of prompts for us, quick and handy. Okay, so quick and handy, the application is basically the idea is and to build a simple prompt manager or prompt repository, advanced prompt repository, which where you can share, you can just take it, install in your organization, put all your prompts there, put all your images there, and anybody wants to give it a try can just go ahead and give it a try. So that's the idea to do. And in this particular series, what I will start with, I will start with various parts and actually give a demonstration on how the entire how AI could be fit into entire software development life cycle, put it at a idea to MVP level. So this is specifically, focused on how do entrepreneurs use it. So the focus is also will not be enterprise applications. It will be free applications as much as possible, free private applications, no cloud, no fancy security, no fancy approval procedures and all. So the entire series is ideally tuned for startups, entrepreneurs, and quick prototyping tunes or quick prototyping teams. So let's start into the video.